Hello, we are NetVisers, a visual interactive approach to network securities. I'm the guy on the right, the Pontemnush.
I'm the guy on the left, Subakit Apamekong.
Here's our content today. First, we come to our backgrounds. In 2023, there are over 8 billion breaches. 80% are hacking related and result of brute force DDoS attacks. We think that most of these incidents can be solved or prevented by having an NIDS and understanding the attacks. But the problem of existing NIDS right now is the lack of user-friendliness and limited explanations.
And about the objective and features overview. Our objective to create a web applications for NITs called NetVisers to aid the understanding of the network security through the interactive analysis and visualization platform ideal for beginners. Here's our three main features. The first one is the attack detections. So we will train our machine learning model on the CICIDS 2017 dataset, which is a popular dataset for network intrusion detection system. We will use the select k-best feature selection technique to choose top features according to their relevance toward the targets. We also use the class rating technique to tackle with the class imbalance problem found on our dataset. And for network traffic classification, we will use the XGBoost model. The reason that we use the XGBoost model is because it excels on the tabular data and often rivaling or surpassing the deep learning model referenced from the research papers. And for attack visualization, we intended to provide a set of visualization charts tailored to the specific detected network attack data, highlighting the characteristics of each attack. For example, for the FTP partition attack, we'll use the GUI-level SAN key that show the link between source IP toward the source port toward the destination port in this case, destination port 21. And we use various distribution plots that compare the distributions of the features that show the characteristic of the attack compared to the normal traffics. Here's another example. And next, we'll use the explanation AI visualization to show the impact of each features on the model prediction. We will use chat for this. Next is our guided exploration or tutorial features, where we will show the step-by-step walkthrough that overlay directly on the NetViser chart and visualizations.
Next, we come to our stakeholders. First, we have the beginner in cybersecurity. We think that they want to see clarification of different attack types and so on. Next, we come to our next stakeholders, which is network teachers. We think that they want to see a visual representation of the network attacks. Business network teams, we think that they want an app to explain network flow and attacks for maybe their teams. Next, we come to our use case diagrams. The user can insert the data, detect and clarify network attacks, visualize network attacks, and also visualize the attribute contributions, and they'll also get the guided network data explorations. Next, we come to our mockup. Here's our homepage where user can drop their files here. When they're finishing up their files, then we come to dashboard, which shows some of the details. The next is the attack detections, which will show which attack that we detected. And next we come to specific attack detections. We will have some graph that's specific to each attacks. And user can also select the XAI, which will explain the which features contribute to the model answers. Next, we come to our project focus. Right now, we finished task 1 to 4. We are doing 5s and lastly 7s. And then if we finish with that, we will continue with our guided exploration, testing, and deployment. Our upcoming task right now is to finalize the attack detection and classification models, select visualization techniques for each attacks, and lastly, we have to finish the build a website to upload and visualize the attacks. And that is it for our presentation. Thank you.